Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a cyberblock. Yes, in Dutch they call it cyberblock. In English, tectonic with 1 star. In Japanese, Suguru. Well, it's not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 27th, 2022. I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles. No, it's the edition of the Thursday, December the 8th, 2022. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So, it's time now for the Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star. Alright. Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number, I believe, 5, 6, and 9, 7. Yes. 5, 6, 9, 7. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15 and it's indicated with 1 star. So my time limit should be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Is this really a 1 star? We don't know. We will see. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Next question. I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember people, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here, 4 or a 5. But also the other side, here, the box near the middle box, always 4 or a 5. Okay. We have a triple box, then the quadro box. Do we have quadro boxes in this puzzle? I see here only 1 quadro box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 4. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Only 1 quadro box. Then the following strategy. Yes. Is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there, okay. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. So it's the 1 or a 2 there, okay. Do we have more here? Another one upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember, it's rotated. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, so this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. More L shapes? No, only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. There, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. A maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get started filling those numbers. Well, these two boxes surround one can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. Then these 3 boxes. So, oh wait. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, I believe, for the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box. We also 4 and the 5. We have a pair here, 4 and a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, here so 4 and the 5 are left in the squash area. Let me mark those. A lot of 4 and the 5s. Alright. Let me see. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 Now, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5, so the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, this box cannot be a 5 anymore because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, okay. 1 box left in this area for number 2, and this box is connected with that box. Oh, we made a mistake. 1 and a 5. We already have a 1 and a 5 there. We already have a 5 there. It's not 1 and a 5, 1 and a 4. Okay. Did I fill the numbers? Oh, well, let me fill these 2 numbers then. Oh, wait. Let me put the 2 also. Well, I do not know if the 3 is correct and the 2. Well, the 3 should be correct. Well, anyway. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The 5, okay, the 2. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 5 is correct. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. No. Again, 1 and 5. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Wow. Ooh. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Yeah. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. What's happening now? What's happening? Well, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. How about here? 2 and a 4. 1, 3, and a 5 are left. Well, this box can be a 3 because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. Cannot be a 1 because we already have a 1. Right, can it be a 1? Could be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? And can it be a 5? Because we need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. So definitely a 2 here. Okay, and these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 that is left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. I think there's 2 numbers left in this area for number 3. And the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Not faster. Not faster. Made an error. So I need more time. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.